What I came to learn is that it's not like the food is going to ever fill me up or whatever, the gambling, whatever the addiction is to the drugs, it gives you temporary pleasure.
Mhm.
But what we're really all looking for in life is lasting
Yeah.
pleasure. And the only thing that brings lasting pleasure is gratitude. Because otherwise, it's just so. oh, In other words, we try to fill up with externalities. We try to fill the hole with externalities, but it's not a physical hole, it's a spiritual hole. And that's what fills it. A life of appreciation, of understanding, of gratitude and joy for every gift we have. Otherwise, we're never satisfied. Nothing fills us, nothing lets us feel fulfilled in life. So that's what I finally learned. That's really the deep spiritual wisdom that I was searching for. And and so when I started to write, why did the addiction just gradually drift away? Why did I no longer need the addiction? And that's what I'm loving to share now with everybody, because I understand that it's completely connected. That I really believe that at the basis of all addictions is that inner emptiness that we're trying to fill. And if we really learn the way to do that, then we won't have ever increasing addictions as we have right
Hmm.
now in this world.
Exactly. Exactly. I was thinking, and I've shared this story, so I won't go into it necessarily, but kind of my aha moment about how important gratitude was. And I won't, like I said, I won't go into great detail about the story itself, but it was a situation where I was at work and it hadn't been good for months. It had been a real struggle working there. It was really bad. And I caught myself one morning driving in, and it was over an hour drive. So I had a lot of time to do this. And all I did the entire way out loud was complain all the way to work. So you could imagine by the time I pulled into the parking garage, my attitude.
Right.
I already started, and this is like 7:15 in the morning. So I'm starting my day off right. And as I stepped out of my car and just could really feel how crappy I felt, I know it was God telling me, I want you to, from here all the way up to the office, which was probably maybe about a 7-minute walk, I want you to say out loud everything you're grateful for.
Wow.
And I did. And nobody was around, so I just kind of muttered under my breath as I said the stuff. And it started
Yeah.
with, thank you for getting me safely here to work. Thank you for this job. Thank you for the car that got me here safely. So it just started there because I didn't feel gratitude about anything else about the dang job. By the time I got up to my desk and sat down, I was in a
Wow.
completely different headspace.
Wow.
It's
Wow.
powerful because you can't be sad and depressed and grateful at the same time.
Exactly.